Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Rational Investors Daily Bitcoin Summary for BTCE on YouTube here, our free 5 to 10 minute video. Basically, lots going on here. I didn't do a video yesterday, but talked lots with the members yesterday. Did a real long video for them. But anyway, so here's your update. Obviously, we got a whole bunch of stuff going on in the markets, and we just got a little bit of time to talk about it with you, so let's get going. Daily chart here, no big surprise. We've been working our way lower. We had a nice double top breakdown here. I had drawn these green lines as support and resistance lines as sort of our trading range. And I had noted here a break of that range was going to lead us, give us a pretty good idea of where we were going to go going forward. At the same time, we've had this massive bearish momentum divergence that was confirmed here, working on our raw MACD reading. So basically, over the past little while, I've been like, well, you know what, this has got to clean itself up before we can even consider getting bullish again. We also see, of course, OBV rolled over. In recent videos, I've been talking lots about how that looks pretty negative. No signs of a bottom here yet either. Willie, last major reading was a stupid overbought condition, and it's slowly taking its time to clean itself up. And now we have the, unfortunately, to be bullish, we want to see some sort of this kind of market structure. We don't have that yet. We have a new recent double top or an M top right here. So the reading itself is oversold. But we're not stupid yet, and we don't have any market structure to work with to tell us that maybe we're near the end of this. And in recent videos, I've been sort of pointing out that I wouldn't be surprised if we have a lot of this sort of whipsaw action in here before we actually get the ultimate bottom in a stupid condition here. So we're still in the process of cleaning this daily chart up. On a broader perspective, I'd say the market's range bound 668 is your top. This 543.38.2 fib is your bottom. You see how these key low here, 545.50 and 555.01 are under attack right now. We just made a low there, 555.10. So coming darn close to these key lows here. We'll see whether they can hold. In fact, I show this low here, what does that say? What do we got here? 555.01, and this low is 557. So 555.01 is our number we're watching in the short term, and sitting right now, we hit a low here today, 555.10. Is this the bottom? I have no idea. My hunch is that we probably need to come back and test this trend line here, which unfortunately would wash out all of these stops and bust this order here, basically break this double bottom. And maybe that sets up our next leg higher here. We do have to understand and we do have to respect that a break of this 38.2 would imply a very negative market structure to the market. It basically would be confirmation of this massive top, and it would basically explicitly imply that either A, we got to come down to this 50% level, and 500, gee whiz, that's a nice big fat round number. Not a big surprise that we go after that. But really, my hunch is we probably got to come back down into this original 4-hour inverted head and shoulders, which started the buying euphoria to begin with. And if that's the case, gee whiz, look, that's right into this OTE zone, right? And the sweet spot there is $437. So yesterday when I was making my video and my commentary, I said, well, that's about $50 away. Now we can argue that's about $40 or $150, excuse me, $150. Now we argue, well, it's about $120 away. So, we're still got this big OTE zone staring us in the face. And then if we just zoom out a little bit, we can naturally see a massive inverted head and shoulders that if we did get the price spike down into the OTE, that would confirm that formation, and then a break above the trend line says, yeah, yeehaw, we're going higher. So put it all together, and really, I don't have any, it would not be a big surprise to me whatsoever to see a massive spike down into this 400 to 465 area. Not whatsoever. Having said that, I think in the short term, we will have a bit of a battle here at these key lows and at this 38.2 fib and at this trend line. So I would expect some sort of maybe short-term bottoming turn. Then we can start looking at fibs going the other direction. Now, yesterday I had commented in the paid and on Twitter and all that, the paid site, that we had this 4-hour bullish momentum divergence going, and it seemed to me that, you know, first and foremost, shorting down here was a really bad idea, and sure enough, the market rallied right back into resistance. It's now, and we can see, especially off the 1 hours, that this bullish momentum divergence that said don't sell here, that's asking for trouble, it's now played itself out. And indeed, I mean, we rallied from 462 all the way, or 562 all the way up to 585. So we rallied a good 20 some odd dollars. Once that was done, and gee whiz, look, that was right into a 38.2. Once that was done, you can see we did a lot of back and filling here, right? And it looked to me like if we could move up through this area in earnest, that we might actually have a nice bullish bot setup happen. But that never came in. London kill zone was right here. You can see they opened it up and then boom, gapped it lower and then never looked back. Through the New York kill zone, they backfilled it right up into resistance, and then boom, we got a new leg lower. And what's interesting is, you know, like we said, bull momentum divergence through here, but you can see that that bull momentum divergence ran out of steam, and then the market structure on the raw momentum reading and on the volume reading rolled back over, and so back into the tank we go. All right, so that's just your basic summary of what's happening here. Obviously, for paying members, we do quite a bit more detail, but I just wanted to give you a heads up for you YouTubers. We've got the PAM service up and running now, but you know, simply put, I'm only going to be really taking long trades off of that PAM. And considering how ugly this daily chart looks, I kind of joked in yesterday's members video. I said that, you know, it's funny that I just got the PAM service up because we may not be doing any trades for a while here, but that's just the way it goes. All the best to you out in YouTube land. I'd love for you to come over to the website and see all the fun, nifty tools that we've put in place to help you in your trading experience. As well, of course, we've got the school going, and actually I just finished a class here. It went really well today. Introduction to Technical Analysis Tools and looking at market structure. And we've got, like I said, doing extended videos for the members, paid members, so that's going really well. We've got the daily blog that getting lots of interaction with members on that because I'm posting basically every day. So feeling really good about that. I mean, everything's just rocking and rolling here. The future's so bright, we got to wear shades. So have yourselves a great day, everybody. All the best. We'll talk to you again. You know, unfortunately, the bear's at the helm right now. So those that are buyers of Bitcoins, we got to cool our jets for a little bit. Anyway, we'll talk to you again later. And, of course, the market never stays the same. So, you know, maybe tomorrow we might get a buy signal. Who knows? Anyway, talk to you soon. All the best, and good luck in your trading. Bye now.